Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the phone and checking for any life. Make sure it has 50% charge or more, because flashing drains battery quickly. Once done, remove SIM and SD card and plug into a PC USB 3.0 port using the original cable. Install ADB/fastboot and Xiaomi USB drivers so the computer recognizes the device. If a soft wake fails, try power for 30 seconds, then power plus volume down to reach fastboot. This confirms whether bootloader or firmware is at fault. Once you see a fastboot response, you proceed to the core fix. If the bootloader is locked, unlock it with the My Unlock tool using the authorized My account. This allows flashing. Next, download the official fastboot ROM for Poco X3 NFC and open My Flash. Make sure the device appears with an ID, pick the extracted ROM folder, choose the Clean All option to avoid residual conflicts, and click Flash. Watch the log for progress and errors. This replaces corrupted firmware cleanly. After flashing, reboot the phone with Fastboot Reboot and be patient. The first boot can take several minutes as the system rebuilds caches. If the device still won't boot, move to Emergency Download EDL mode using a deep flash cable or test point and flash via QPSD/EDL tools. This recovers devices that Fastboot cannot. If problems persist, save the exact error messages and My Flash logs. With those details, you can search or ask for a precise fix, because identical symptoms can have different causes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.